So, what have we got for you guys today? We've got 3 different protein bars, 3 completely different flavours. They don't need putting in the oven, they're super quick to make, and they're working out about 25p per bar. If you compare that to shop bought ones, you're looking at more like £1 upwards. And the best thing is, these bars contain more protein and they contain collagen, which has loads of other benefits, as well as recovery. So, quick introductions, this is my mum.
Hi, I'm a fully qualified chef and I've been working with Izzy on the recipes and the nutritional content. So check out this video and let us know what you think.
So to start with, you're going to add 250 grams of oats and give them a quick whiz in your blender, just to break them up really. Next, you're going to add your collagen and whey powder. I've gone for chocolate flavour because I think it goes best with this type of bar. You're then going to add your dates, make sure they're pitted and chopped up, and you're going to add your maple syrup as well. Give that all a whiz in your blender. And then you're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And you're going to add half the amount of milk. I've used oat milk, but you can use any type of milk. You're then going to add a pinch of salt and you're going to mix that together. Then you're going to add the second half of your milk and you're going to mix it again. Check that it's combining by pressing your spoon into the side and it should be sticking together, and then add your cranberries in. If it's not combining, just add a small splash of milk. You don't need a lot and it should start sticking. Mix it again. Now you're going to get your mix into a lined baking tray and you're going to squash it down. So use the spoon and really pack it in, and then I also like to use the greaseproof paper by folding it over and pressing down. Just makes it nice and cut and it sets a lot better. You're going to leave your bar to set in the fridge. It only takes about 20 minutes, but you can leave it in for as long as you want, and I always keep mine in the fridge. Next one is Apricot and Chia bars, 5.7 grams of protein. So you're going to start and you're going to add your 250 grams of oats. You're going to give them a mix. Then you're going to add your apricots and give it a mix again. Then you're going to add your maple syrup and you're going to add another teaspoon of vanilla extract, just like the first one. Give that a mix. Then you're going to add your strawberry flavoured protein powder this time, collagen and whey. You're going to add your chia seeds and you're going to add a pinch of salt. Then you're going to add the first half of your milk. I'm using oat milk again for this, and I'm going to give it another mix just to combine all of those ingredients together. Add your second half of milk. Mix it in. Again, check that it's combined, and then you're ready to get your mix into your lined baking tray. And we're going to follow the same process as the first bar. We're going to really pack it in with a spoon, and then I like to use the greaseproof paper and really press down on it, just so it sets better. And you're going to pop that in the fridge for a minimum of about 20 minutes. Doesn't need to go in the fridge, but it just makes it set better. So the next bar is apple and cinnamon bars. So again, you're going to add your oats and give that a mix to break those oats up. You're then going to add your chocolate protein powder And you're going to give that a mix. Add your chia seeds, pinch of salt, give it another mix. Then you're going to add your applesauce, you're going to add a splash of oat milk for this one. And you're going to add a tablespoon and a half of cinnamon. If you like more cinnamon, then go ahead and add as much as you want, or as little as you want. I quite like it, so I'd probably add more if it was me. Give that a mix, check that it's combining again, and then same process, get that mix into a greased baking tray and flatten it all down. It's the same as the other two, put it in the fridge for a minimum of 20 minutes. Doesn't need to go in, but I think it makes it better, and I always store them in the fridge as well. Thanks for watching guys, like and subscribe.